There he is. John has a good one. There he is.
Welcome back to another drive. I've been driving a long time right now, guys, and I'm almost there. I'm going to a power plant lake. I've done a lot of videos here. This place is hit or miss for big blue cats. There are some big fish in here. There's some trophies, and like anywhere else, they're very hard to catch sometimes. So I'm gonna get out here against my better judgment. I mean, I have been just getting my butt handed to me at this place, so I'm gonna go anyways, because that's what we do. We go out and we try. So I'm almost here, and today we're gonna be using fresh Asian carp, and we're gonna be dragging baits because this lake does not have any type of real structure. It's like a big flat. It's not very deep. So let's see if we can trick a big giant blue cat into eating. It's fall, water temp should be dropping. It's like 39 degrees this morning, but I'm excited. I mean, I'm getting out here going fishing after a long week of work. So once I get to the launch, I'll get back with you guys and we'll explain what we're doing. So let's go. Up Southside Bait and Tackle. We don't gotta go in though. We're not going in, but we are picking up some bait. Good old Gabe. Ugh. Good old Gabe Lance came through for the win. Shout out to Gabe, man. He went out and got us bait last night. Oh. Oh God. What's going on? Gabe, you got a bag, dude? The whole bag exploded. You got another bag?
What bag exploded?
Of the carp.
Oh,
I picked it up.
heavy?
Yeah, it's just freaking, it's all over the ground out there, dude. Oh my God. These guys are probably like, damn.
This one will work better.
Yeah, hell yeah. Thank you. Dude, thank you so much, dude. Man.
There's 6 in there.
I see them. They're all on the ground right here. All right, we made it. I'm out here with the man, the myth, the legend, Joseph. He's really tired because he decided to go fishing last night. He didn't want to wait for Johnny Boy to drive 15 hours. Yeah, he pulled a little drag on you. Took us forever, but we got one. We're just gonna let the boat stay north.
I think he got smaller, dude. Is that one going?
Yeah. Just let him do his thing. He's got some shoulders?
Nah, I think he got smaller on me.
Oh.
I think my drag's just a little loose.
Hey, you're pulling the boat backwards, that's for sure. Oh yeah, you're pulling the boat backwards.
I think I'm twirling them.
It's all right, twirl them around. Twirl him straight into this boat. And? No, it's not bad. He's not that bad. He's backwards, dude. He's like a 20 something. There he goes. 10 pounder. Oh yeah, now he's fighting. All right, let me get him for you.
Took a long time, bud.
Yeah, maybe they're just not wanting to eat. Look at that piece of 88.
Barely fit, huh?
Probably about a 20, right? 18.
Yeah, 10.
Here we go. First fish. We got a long way to go. That's what we're looking for.
There he is. John has a good one. There he is. He's already up top.
Yep, nope. This is a good one, good one.
Is it?
Yeah. I gotta get him down, dude.
He's already up top.
Dude, yeah, did you see that?
Yeah.
He's coming straight to the boat. Come on, swim with me, buddy. I wanted to make sure he was hooked. And then the drag started feeling. I'm like, oh yeah.
Oh, he's got the other line too.
Yeah, he's fired up, dude.
Yeah, buddy.
Fired up. That one smoked it. Good Lord, did he smoke it. Look how fat that fish is, dude. It's got to be 30, right? There we go. There's a good fat one. Man, he smoked it, dude. Look at the colors on him. Still looks like he needs some more weight. He's got a humpy back, though. What? Got him? Hey guys, here we go. Here's a good one. It's a good one. Don't hold on to me. He gone. Got him. Got him, right?
Yeah. It's a good one.
Slow down or speed up? I do. We're about to have.
Oh God, dude.
Good one?
Just speed up a bunch.
Huh?
Where's your planer board? What the
Just go. Just go. I'm gonna stop the boat.
What is that right
You stop the boat. You totally stop the boat with this fish.
I can't do nothing.
All right, just go. Just do.
I don't want to tangle, dude.
Okay, hold on. I'm working.
Maybe
You go that way. Yep. Good fish. All right, I'm gonna work on getting that planer out of your way.
what's up with that orange pole? That orange line.
Which orange line?
That'd be good now, dude.
I know. I'm still gonna.
Come over here.
All right. This line?
He got a lot smaller, dude. He ain't done nothing.
Yeah.
Another 20.
All right. Here we go. Let's get him in.
He ain't came up yet.
Ooh, not bad.
Oh, head on him.
Big old head.
There we go. Put one hand for me.
All right.
Big old head in that thing, dude. It's his body matches his head. It's get dirty.
Okay, skinny. Just turning on, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna turn around and drag this same drag. All right. I think we should. Look at his head. He's got that head, dude.
Big ugly.
He's only like probably 20 pounds,
Yeah.
bro. Not even.
His head's freaking 30-pound head, though.
That is hilarious. He's been caught a million times too. Boom, 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 boom.
Poor bud.
Yeah. They're smart, dude. Or something. I didn't even get to like feel him pull yet because he like burned, you know? Oh.
There he is. There we go. There we go.
Channel cat. Can I keep this one on? Oh yeah, he's got Asian carp moving everywhere. Yep. I don't even know if he's still on. I don't feel him anymore.
Dude.
No, he's on. 3 o'clock, 3:30, dude. I gotta get this planter board out of the water, dude. I don't know if he's there anymore. I can't feel him. Oh, he's there.
Nothing like that other one.
No.
No, just a little drag, dude. Nothing. Nothing.
The other one was a stud, like a 50.
It was rolling drag, dude.
Like a 50 or 60 maybe.
Oh, it was a good dang fish.
I caught no, that thing's trashed.
Oh, yours is good. I just got mine all wrapped around tied to everything.
3:30.
Yeah, yours is good. I just cut all mine off of it.
A channel catfish. Oh, he was hooked, but not like, he wasn't hooked that good. That's like I don't know what that is. It wasn't the one I wanted. Dang, dude.
All day long today.
That was him, dude. Man, there we go. There's another one. That's not the one, guys.
We're all sad.
I'm all sad, dude, but Jesus. I could have had 3 good ones, dude, today. 4 good ones. Okay, stop. I'm trying to let you
Worst day
go.
of fishing ever.
Here we go. All right, guys, just got home. Long drive back home from the power plant lake. I'm gonna get inside and upload this footage and get it all edited for you guys. It wasn't a great trip, but it was a good one. We got out and we caught a few good blue cats. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you are subscribed for all the upcoming content. Hit that bell, and I will see you guys on the next one.